First, we're going to create something called the boilerplate. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a folder where we will store the project we're about to build. I created a folder named MovieDB App inside of a directory where I keep other C# projects. Click on File, Open Folder, and select the folder where you will be storing the project. Click on Terminal, New Terminal, and make sure that the terminal's present working directory is the same as the directory you just created to store the project. Issue the following commands into the terminal. Also in the terminal, issue this command. Select Run, Run without debugging. And we have a functioning website ready.